I think it's running, isn't it?
No.
No, it is. Okay, brilliant. So this is a CNC machine. We're going to use this to produce the turned flute handle. We need to tell the machine where the end of this part is. You notice this is drawer number 1. This is where you take your measurements from. It's a vernier caliper, like so. And then we can read this off, and that is 56.4. Okay. 56.4. So I have to put that into the machine. 56.4. Push it down here, that's where you'll see everything really. Okay, so I'm just going to start that machine off now. Take a few seconds, then it will start to move into life. It looks about right, I'm happy enough with that position. So that's facing off, finding its datum position. Now it will parallel turn, but it's expecting slightly wider stop, so it's not cutting anything at the moment, but that's fine. It gets slightly nervous, it's going to run right into the shut, but it doesn't. It should cut now. Parallel turn to 18. And starting to form that round end. See, it's beginning to carry quite a lot of material across there. If that doesn't come away, I'll need to clear it. That's okay for the moment. So that's cutting the paper. And this will be the final cut. And that's CNC machining.